Alright, tortas. Today we're installing a cold air intake on a 2015 Silverado. This is the parts they got. Other parts. There's that. There's the brand name. Like, who knows? First, we're gonna start removing all of these lines. Move the coupler from the throttle body, and then we'll start pulling off hoses and putting everything back together. There's another one over there. We gotta pull that off too. And then some sensors over there we gotta remove. And yeah, so let's start working. God. Oh yeah. So we're gonna reuse this. We already removed that. And it was just clipped on with these little choricinos. And yeah. We put the new one back on. Oops. So now that this part's put on, we have to add these hoses. I guess from here to here. Probably remove this one though. I think. Yes. God dang.
You want Daddy to do it? Oh.
I am Daddy boy. Which, alright, do it.
I'm trying to figure out how these go.
Oh. This one says the side of the inlet and duct. What is
really?
that? What does that one say?
The same exact.
Boy. Bueno. Alright, tortas. There's this black thing in there. We're probably gonna have to take it all apart again and pull it out. Instructions didn't specify on this, so yeah. Otra vez. Hay que sacarlo todo. Alright. So they're resistant. What the? Where'd it go?
Turbo 80.
Boy. That black plastic that was in it. No, not that. There was this thing that was in there covering it up. So we took it out, connected it. Joanna. Oh yeah, one more thing. So now it's better. It's more space.
Milwaukee?
Hey, boy! I hear something whistling. I wonder if it's a vacuum loop. What was that? Puro simply easy. Now we went Friday to get tuned. Got the headers, intake, and that should be it. Another one, Lego. Peace.